Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, and today we are also solving the circle theorem question, which is the second question. In my former question I explained vividly on how to solve and how you can handle circle theorem, and in this video too I will also be explaining partaking everything you need to know concerning circle theorem, the hidden details that you need to know while solving a question that concerns circle theorem. So let's kick back to the question. So when you have a question like this, the question says in the diagram above is a circle with center O. This is the center O here. P R S T P R S T are the points on the circle. Find the value of PRS. PRS. That is, the question is asking you to find this angle here. That is what the question is requiring of you. So I will still explain. Before you solve this question, let me explain something to you. Let me have another diagram here. Let me draw. This is a chord. This chord sustained a circle at the center. Let's call this angle Y. Then the same chord sustained an angle at the circumference. Let's call this one Y all over 2. Let me explain. The first theorem of circle geometry states that if a chord or an arc, this is an arc, this line here to here, this line that join this circle here is chord. So a chord or an arc sustain an angle at the center, then the angle that is sustained at the circumference by that descent chord is half of the angle at the center. What do I mean? The angle at the center is twice the angle that is sustained at the remaining portion at the circumference. So if you have an angle here at 60, which means here will be 30, because the angle at the center is twice of this, is double of what is here. If you have a chord sustain an angle at the center, that angle is twice the angle that is sustained by that descent chord from the circumference in the same segment. So what we are going to apply here is, automatically we know that this angle here is twice, when this one here, the angle here is twice this. So for you to know angle POS, angle POS is equal to 2 times x. Why? Because 2 of this, before the angle at the center is twice the angle that is sustained at the circumference. So for you to know this particular angle here, you are going to multiply x by 2 to give you the angle that is here. So that is angle POS is 2x. So reason is what? The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So the angle which POX sustain is twice of this, as I explained here. So for you to find x, let's set, since we know that POX is twice this, we now say that 2x, because here become 2x. So 2x plus this one here, 8x, is equal to 360. Why? The angle at point, the angle at point is equal to 360. That is, this angle here and the one down here, when you sum it together, is going to give you 360. That is a complete turn. The angle, a complete circle, is 360. So 2x plus 8x will give you this, and 2x plus 8 is 10x, which is then x is equal to 360 degrees. We divide both sides by 10. So 10 into 10 is 1. 1 times x is x. 0 into 0 cancelled. 36 divided by 1 is 36. So degrees. So which means this angle is 36. So if you want to know angle POS, which means 2 times x, that is POS will be x is what? X now 36, so 36 times 2, and POS will give you 72 degrees. So which means this angle is 72 degrees. But the question asks us to find PRS, that is this angle here, PRS. That is what the question asks us to find. So let's go back, let's get P. But the question says we should find PRS. So we know that PRS is equal to, so for us to find PRS, we know that the angle sustained at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So which means this angle here, this angle at the center here, 8x is twice of this. So which means PRS is 8x divided by 2. So PRS is equal to 4s, which means the angle sustained at the center is twice the angle sustained at the circumference. So here is 4x. So for us to get here, we're going to divide this by 2 to get it, because the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. But x is equal to 36. So PRS is equal to 4 times 36. So PRS is equal to 36 times 4. This is 24. 4. This is 12 plus 2. That is 44. So its PRS is 44 degrees. So please guys, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel as we grow together. Thank you for love you.